Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. In this video, I wanted to give you a quick tip on how to get some range extension on your remote control. So if you have a key fob remote that you use to lock and unlock your car door and you want to get some more range, use this quick little tip. So let's go ahead and show how it works. Here's my car. You might be able to see my door pin in there right there. I'm gonna hit my remote, unlock. You see it unlock and then lock. Okay, now you can hear mine. Mine's distinctive. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna move back away from the car and see how many spaces I can go before this remote no longer will lock or unlock the door. So I'm gonna automatically go 2 spaces over and see if it will unlock and lock the car from here. So there's a car. Let's see if it unlocks and locks. Still locks and unlocks. I'm gonna go 2 more spaces. See if it locks and unlocks from here. Unlock and lock. Still works. Let's go 2 more spaces. 2 more spaces. Let's see if it unlocks and locks. Wow, that thing has some range on it. Let's go 2 more spaces. I crossed over just for some space. Let's see if it unlocks. I can't get it to unlock from here. We're 10 spaces up and across the area and my range no longer works. Now, from where I'm at right here, I'm gonna put my remote up to my chin and then I'm gonna activate the buttons and see if it will lock and unlock the car. Remember, from this side of the parking area, 4 spots closer, I could not get this to work. So I'm gonna put it up to my chin and I'm gonna push the button, see if it'll lock and unlock the car. Got it to unlock. I got it to lock. I'm gonna back up 2 more spaces. It just unlocked. It just locked. I'm gonna back up 2 more spaces. It unlocked and it locked. Remember, that's putting the remote up to my chin. I've almost doubled the range. Let me go ahead and back up some more. Backed up a couple more spots. It just unlocked. I can't hear it lock. So, putting it up to my chin, I basically double the range. So, if you want to unlock and lock your car and you want more range on your remote, put the remote up to your chin and try it that way. I came to the car, it is still locked. So, about 60 paces putting it up to my chin, about 30 paces if I don't put it up to my chin. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.